Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize HitFilm projects for YouTube intros and VFX finishing, full guide step by step clearly. To start, open your HitFilm software. Create a new project or open an existing one. Navigate to the Media tab and import your video files. Ensure your video clips are organized in the Media panel. Go to the editor timeline and place your clip in the timeline. Select the clip and adjust its duration if necessary. To add effects, navigate to the Effects panel. Browse for the desired VFX and drag it onto your clip in the timeline. Adjust the effect parameters as needed in the Controls panel. Create a new composite shot for more complex effects. Right-click your clip in the timeline and select Make Composite Shot. In the composite shot, add your desired effects and animations. Once your effects are set, return to the editor timeline. To set up for YouTube, click on the Export button. In the export settings, choose the format suitable for YouTube. Select the resolution and frame rate that match your project. Ensure the audio settings are also configured correctly. Consider adding a watermark or logo for branding. When satisfied, click on the Export button to start rendering. After rendering, locate your video file in the specified directory. Upload the video to your YouTube channel through the platform. Add a title, description, and tags for your upload. Choose a thumbnail that represents your video well. Set the visibility settings to your preference. Once everything is ready, publish your video. Review your published video for any final adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typo. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.